Namaste. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models to senior IT professionals in a very simple language. So, in my previous videos, I talked about AI agents, how we can make a multi AI agent system. So, we know that AI agents can collaborate, right? One AI agent can do one specific task, then pass on to another AI agent, and that AI agent can do another task, and so they can collaborate. But can AI agents debate as well? So in this video, we'll create a multi-AI agent system in which we'll create three agents, and out of which two will debate whether Delhi is better or Mumbai is better. And the third agent would be judge agent. That agent will decide based on the arguments these agents will make. So it's kind of a debate competition between these two agents. So let's start. I'll show you how to create all these things. So first we'll install PyAutoGen and Python.net. .env. Basically, we'll be using an open source framework for creating AI agents, which is AutoGen. This is from Microsoft. So let's do this. So now let's import user data. Why we need import data? Because we'll be storing our Open API key in user data. So what you need to do, you need to go here and you need to store your OpenAI API key here. Okay, so now let's import conversable agent from AutoGen, and now let's load our OpenAI API key. Now see, so we'll create three models. So we'll be using three agents. So first agent we are using GPT-4o mini, right? And for second agent we'll be using GPT 3.5 turbo. Okay, you can use any other models as well. You can use Anthropic's models as well, like Claude, and you can use any other open source models which are present on Hugging Face as well. I am taking both the models from OpenAI. Okay, so now here is the fun part. So we are creating agents for Delhi versus Mumbai debate. So we have this agent called Delhi agent. The name is Delhi lover, and what the system message is: you are a person who lives in Delhi and loves Delhi and wants to spread Delhi's culture around the world. Speak passionately about living in Delhi. Similarly, we have our second agent, which is Mumbai lover. The same prompt is: you are a person who lives in Mumbai and wants to spread Mumbai's culture around the world. Speak passionately about living in Mumbai. Right. So these are two agents, and then we have this third agent, which is judge agent. So this agent will you are acting as the ultimate facilitator. Your job is to guide the debate between the two and declare a winner based on who makes the most convincing argument. The debate will be used as a sample in university class, so it is crucial to declare one winner. Once a clear conclusion is reached, you must declare that's enough and announce the winner. Debate cannot end without this phrase, so make sure to include it. So now we have a judge agent who will basically listen to all the points made by Delhi lover agent and Mumbai lover agent, and based on those points, it will decide a winner. And we have so basically we have given the description for Delhi agent: an ultimate Delhi fan; Mumbai agent, ultimate Mumbai fan. Okay, so now for now we have this feature called group chat from AutoGen. So let's import that. And now what we are doing, we are in group chat, we are giving our agents, three agents: Delhi agent, Mumbai agent, judge agent, and we are saying that maximum round of which debate can happen is of five, right? So once we have done that, now let's import group chat manager. Group chat manager will be specifying, so our model would be GPT-4o mini, and we are getting the API key, right? So now after that, let's see the chat result. What we are doing, the before this, so this chat, This debate will be used as a sample in university class. A winner must be decided. So now let's see what exactly we have got, right? So let's see what we have got. So we have seen that, so basically the judge agent has started that this debate will be used as a sample in university class. So this is what its description would be. So the first speaker was Delhi Lover. The Delhi Lover, it made the point that as an ultimate Delhi fan, I'm here to passionately convey why Delhi is incredible place to live. Delhi is also not just a city; it's a feeling. So, so Delhi Lover had made the points, and then came the chance of Mumbai Lover. So Mumbai Lover also made its point that as the ultimate Mumbai fan, I stand here today with the immense pride to share my Mumbai, not just a city but a living, breathing entity, is a truly incredible. So that made the point, and then after that, so basically judge agent has basically given the verdict that thank you both for your compelling arguments. Delhi Lover, you emphasize the rich culture and historical significance of Delhi. Mumbai Lover, you countered beautifully by portraying Mumbai as city of perpetual energy and resilience. So so that's enough. And then next, basically what judge has said that thank you for spirited debate. Whether it's Delhi or Mumbai, both cities have their unique charm and allure. Each offers a distinct experience and a vibrant culture that captures the hearts of those who will call them. Let's continue to celebrate the diversity and beauty of all cities as we strive to spread their culture and essence to the world. Basically, we asked to give a verdict, but here judge actually wanted to be politically correct, so it never said that whether Delhi is better than Mumbai. But the idea is that now we have conversational agents that can debate, right? So this is what the latest in AI is. Hope you like the video. You can also build your own conversational AI agent and these agents can debate on any topic, any team, any player. So I I want you to work on it, and you can create your own such conversation. And if you do, please share it on LinkedIn, and if you want, you can tag me as well. Thanks for watching this. Thanks a lot.